They come in 32s. I'm just gonna go over here for a second and bump 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 yeah, no face cam today, guys. Cause it failed on last video, so I'm not even tempted. So there we go. Right. So pretty, guys. So it's my mod testing. There went the more TNT mod over there. I don't like doing that mod because there's so many mod reviews. There's barely any PE like Fog Edition mods views. So that's what I'm here for. I'm a mod review guy. So why does it keep wanting to click and get an arrow? So there we go. So more proof. Let's see. Do we push that? Go over to my import. They come in. Let's try the second batch. So you guys saw I have 50 on the other drop. So yeah, it's 50. It's 50 diamonds per drop. So that is really good. And hey zombie, look, you need some new clothes. Buy your Rolex. But yeah, if you guys have any mod suggestions, I will be doing another mod review. I do a mod review every single day. I might go back with the vlogs. I have no idea. But sorry for that, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this mod review. So let's hit that like button and let's get the almighty likes up in here. And yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys want me to do any more mod reviews, I will. Just comment down below and I'll be like, I am I'm just kidding, guys. So comment, share, like, subscribe, dislike, unsubscribe. I don't care. I just like posting videos. But thank you guys for watching. Peace out, and you guys have a great day.